The 1963 Chevrolet C2 Corvette Outer Limits represents one of the most distinctive custom car transformations in automotive history. The story begins with a tragic incident when a brand new C2 Corvette, with less than 100 miles on its odometer, suffered a severe crash into a concrete bridge abutment. Ray Fahrner, a renowned custom car builder from Kansas City, Missouri, saw potential in the wreckage and purchased the split-window coupe for $950. In his Kansas City custom shop, Fahrner spent 6 weeks transforming the crashed Corvette into an avant-garde masterpiece. The design drew inspiration from Dean Jeffrey's Manta Ray and Big Daddy Ed Roth's Mysterion, incorporating asymmetrical elements influenced by Chrysler designer Virgil Exner's Plymouth XNR concept car. The modifications were extensive and revolutionary. Fahrner stretched the front by 6 inches and created offset twin grills, the left featuring dual headlights while the right received a hand-formed louvered chrome grille. The fenders were heightened by 4 inches, arched and finned outward with radiused wheel wells. The structural work utilized steel rods and wire mesh overlaid with fiberglass. Door handles were eliminated in favor of electrical solenoids, and the roof ridge was completely removed. The initial paint scheme, applied by 19-year-old Tom Davison, who contributed to the car's styling, was a light pearl blue with darker blends on the lower areas and lighter pearl highlights accentuating the unique body shape. The interior featured pearl white ribbed leather with an asymmetrical double-hump dashboard design. Throughout its history, the Outer Limits changed hands several times, each owner adding their own touch. Ron Ortner acquired it in the mid-1960s and commissioned Darryl Starbird to repaint it candy blue and create a diamond tuck pearl white interior. Ortner also installed a 392 Hemi engine. Tom Davison later purchased the car for $1,000 in 1971, though by then it was missing its asymmetric hood and Hemi engine. In 1979, Gary Logan of Independence, Missouri, undertook a comprehensive restoration to return the car to Fahrner's original vision. Logan's brother Randy handled the body restoration while Gary built a new power plant, a studded 350 4-bolt main Chevy block with TRW L2441F blower pistons and a TO4 Air Research turbocharger. The transmission was a Muncie M21 4-speed paired with a 3.361 positraction rear differential. Subsequent modifications included rectangular headlights replacing the round ones, additional grille lights, side exit exhaust pipes, and a shooting star theme replacing the original diamond tuck interior. The hood received a custom screw gear mechanism for show displays. The car eventually became part of Robert Peterson's collection at the Peterson Museum, cementing its status as a Los Angeles automotive icon. In August 2013, the Outer Limits appeared at the Auctions of America California Collector Car Auction in Burbank. The car, finished in pearl white with matching leather interior and red carpeting, featured electronic gauges and a Hurst shifter. It sold for $47,850, marking another chapter in its remarkable journey from wrecked Corvette to legendary custom car. The 1963 Chevrolet C2 Corvette Outer Limits stands as a testament to the golden age of custom car building, where creativity and craftsmanship transformed automotive casualties into rolling works of art. Its asymmetrical design and numerous iterations over the decades have secured its place in custom car history.